One of the most frustrating things that happens to us in our career is when prospects lie to us, when customers lie to us. Nobody likes being lied to. But here's the thing. You're creating many of the lies that you receive. When you focus your conversations on your competitor, what are they offering you? When you focus your time, your FaceTime, your over-the-phone time with a client on another company, well, what's the deal? If I could match that deal, would you go with us? All you're doing is inviting that prospect, that client, that customer to lie to you. Stop talking about the competition and start talking about your customer, what their current situation looks like, what they're trying to achieve. And if they want to focus on the deal that somebody else is giving them, simply say, hey, does it make sense for us to focus on your situation? I'll make the best recommendation that I can. And if for some reason we're not a fit for you, well then I'll point you in the right direction, save you a bunch of time. Stop getting into these little conversation about what's the deal that the other person's giving you. Maybe if I can match it, will you go with me? All that's doing is creating them to lie about those deals. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.